Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shalini Foods. Stop making boring dried chicken. If you want a dinner that's vibrant, high protein and actually helps you digest your food, you need to try this mint chicken. It's zingy, refreshing and honestly, it's the coolest curry you will ever make. Let's get into it. Add 5 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of ghee and 2 chopped onions. The chicken provides lean protein which is essential for building and repairing tissues. It contains all essential amino acids your body needs. Saute until onion turns light brown in color. Meanwhile, take 1.5 cup of coriander, 1.5 cup of mint and 8 green chilies. Mint is famous for soothing the digestive tract. It contains menthol, which helps relax the muscles in the digestive system, reduce bloating and gas. The ingredients in this recipe: chicken, ginger, garlic, and green chilies are nature's antibiotics. Garlic and ginger both have powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help fight off colds and infections. Green chili is loaded with vitamin C, which helps in skin health and immune defense. Mint is a surprising source of nutrients despite being a herb. It contains iron, important for blood health and energy levels. Now add 1.5 inch of ginger, 15 to 20 garlic pods, 1 tablespoon of shajira, 1 inch of cinnamon, 3 cardamom and 3 cloves. Add little water and grind into fine paste. Mint also contains manganese which supports brain function and bone health. And it also contains vitamin A, critical for eye health and night vision. Using mint and spices to flavor chicken is much healthier than using heavy creams or sugary sauces. Once onions turned into light brown, add 3/4 kg of chicken, 1 tablespoon of turmeric. The combination of fresh herbs like mint and coriander helps reduce oxidative stress in the body, which can lower the risk of chronic inflammation. Now add 3/4 cup of curd and 1 tablespoon of salt. Adjust salt as per your taste. Chicken contains all the essential amino acids your body needs, helping you stay full longer and supporting a healthy metabolism. Close the lid and cook the chicken perfectly. Once the chicken is cooked perfectly, add grinded paste. Now add half tablespoon of black pepper powder and 3/4 tablespoon of coriander powder. Close and cook until the oil leaves from the chicken. Adjust salt as per your taste. Now you can see the oil is leaving from the chicken. Add half to 3/4 cup of water. Close and cook for 5 to 10 minutes on low to medium heat. Finally, add chopped coriander. And this is how you make the perfect mint chicken. If you're tired of the same old flavors, this is your new go-to. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that like button, save this for your next meal prep, and let me know in the comments, are you team spicy or team extra minty? I'll see you in the next video.